YouTube. It's been a while, so I'm out here sitting on pretty much the only dry spot on my rather wet roof in my snazzy PJs, which you can just about see, with my cup of tea and my cigar at 4:30 in the afternoon, even though it looks like dusk because it's extremely overcast. And I'm here to read today Lost Like Tears in Rain. And yes, I am a fan of Blade Runner. However did you guess? Well, without further ado, welcome to Poetry Corner. I have seen things you people wouldn't believe. I have dreamed things you people couldn't conceive. I have seen moonbeams dancing on an ocean wave. I have seen sunlight warming a cracked stone grave. I have heard wolves howling on a misty night. I have heard a condor screech far out of sight. All of these memories are unique to one soul. Each of them contributes to the complete whole. What have you seen when you were out there alone? What did you see when you wandered from home? Did you see fire, unfettered and free? Like I once saw ravaging an old dried-out tree. And all of these memories will be lost. Lost like tears in rain and the cat attacking my tripod. All of these moments fade away, never to be remembered again. I've seen clouds down within reach. I've known the warmth of a summer's day beach, the thrum of a heartbeat once close in my ear. I held close a new life, so tender and dear. I saw the fruits of my own labour born to the world. The best of my plans have gone completely off. I've heard such music brought tears to my eyes. I've felt the great loss on both my eyes. All of these things remain unique within me. This cadre of imagery, which only I see. An infinite tapestry of single moments in time. Moments of great sadness and joy so divine. And all of these memories will be lost. Lost like tears in rain. All of these moments will fade away. No way for any to remain. The moments that define me